Starting a podcast or a YouTube channel and you want to get great sounding audio while on a budget? Today we're checking out the Fifine K669 microphone. We've got some audio tests and what's inside the box coming up. Welcome to the Simple Green Tech video, where we do tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you create great digital content. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Radio Zane, and in this video we're going to be looking at what's inside this box right here, the Fifine K669 USB microphone. Now let's open it up and check out what's inside. Alright, so let's open up the box here. We got some papers here, the user guide, and a bookmark. We've got the mic itself. This apparently is a 6-foot cable, which is great as it gives you lots of length to reach it around wherever you need to go. And we also get this cute little desktop stand. To install it, you just plug it into a USB port on your computer. Wait a couple of seconds for the driver to install, and once it's installed, you're ready to go. I'm talking into the Fifine USB microphone now, and this is unedited audio. I'm going to play around with the gain knob a bit just to adjust the levels. This looks like a good level right here, and we're just under halfway up on the gain knob, which is not too bad. It should give you lots of headroom. And speaking of headroom, let's check that out now. So now let's just listen to what it sounds like without me talking into the microphone. All right, now let's crank up the gain all the way. So that was with the gain cranked, and now we're going to turn the gain all the way down. So that's what your noise floor is like on this. And just so you know, I'm sitting about a full foot away from the microphone. It's sitting on my desk on the little stand that it came with. And this is the quality of audio that we got. This is raw audio and nothing's been edited. So now let's check out what this mic sounds like edited a bit. The settings that I use to edit my voice are pretty basic, just a bit of compression and some EQ. I've done another video that basically shows you my editing settings and how you can edit out some of the noise floor and the background hum in your audio. I'll link to that video in the description in case you want to check it out. I also use all free plugins in the video so you can easily give it a try yourself. Here is a sample of edited audio recorded using the Fifine K669 microphone. The audio has been edited with some compression and EQ. Now let's compare it back to back with raw audio. This is a sample of raw audio recorded using the Fifine K669 microphone. There are no effects added or editing done to this audio. Here is a sample of edited audio recorded using the Fifine K669 microphone. The audio has been edited with some compression and EQ. Now let's look at the stand that comes with this microphone. It's a cute little desktop stand that will get you up and running right away, so you don't have to buy another mic stand or a mic arm. You can just use this one, set it up, and go. Now, having said that, I would recommend purchasing a mic arm or a larger mic stand eventually, as it will give you better control of mic placement and it won't be as close to your keyboard or mouse, so it won't pick up clicking noise as easily. But to get you started, this desktop stand does a great job. Now here are some of the positives that I like about the Fifine K669 USB microphone. I like how easy it is to connect. You just plug it into your computer's USB port, it installs automatically, and you can quickly start recording your podcast, your YouTube video, or your gaming session, or whatever it is you use this mic for. I also think that this mic sounds great. For under $30, you really can't beat this sound quality. You won't need to purchase any additional cables or an audio interface, or even a mic stand. You just purchase the K669 microphone, plug it in, and you're ready to go. You will, however, need to download some recording software like Audacity or Traction T7. Both are great free pieces of software that you can use and start recording right away. And if you're a streamer, you probably already have OBS Studio set up on your computer. If not, download it, set up the microphone to be your input, and away you go. One of the only negatives that I have about this microphone is that the USB cable is fixed to the back. So if anything happens to the USB cable, you have to replace the whole unit. And that's about it for negatives. Honestly, at the entry-level price point that this is priced at, the Fifine K669 USB microphone cannot be knocked. Are there better microphones out there? Absolutely, but they're going to cost a lot more, and you're going to need more equipment and more tech savvy to get started with those. This mic is not targeted at professional broadcasters or advanced users, although I'm sure the pros can get a decent sound out of them. This mic is geared towards the podcasters, the YouTubers, and the gamers that want to upgrade their audio quickly and easily. Now I want to know, what microphone are you currently using in your setup? Is it an onboard microphone on your phone or on your camera? Or is it a headset microphone? Let me know in the comments below. My personal verdict on the Fifine K669 USB microphone is that for the money and the ease of use, it's a great entry-level microphone that will serve you well for years to come. If you're not overly technical and you just want to upgrade your audio setup, then this mic should be one that you check out. If you'd like to see more reviews like this one, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for checking out this video. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.